Light therapy can be used for skin rejuvenation as well as hair growth. Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Amir. I'm a board-certified facial plastic surgeon and founder and creator of Karam MD Skin. I specialize in facial rejuvenation, which basically means I help people look as young as they feel. And on today's episode of Skin School, we're going to talk about red light therapy. And we're going to learn the science behind red light therapy. We're going to learn how it affects cellular function and how it improves rejuvenation. We're going to talk about what are the considerations that you should take into consideration when looking at a red light device for at home or in the office, as well as we're going to learn about some of the risks as well as some of the all-around benefits of this for a number of different conditions that you may not have been aware of. So you definitely don't want to miss this episode. Watch it all the way through, and if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. So what is actually happening with these red lights? Why are they beneficial? Why are they trending? Well, number one, they do show results. There's a lot of science that's been supporting these over the last 5, 10, 15 years that shows that there's a benefit to the cells. What are those benefits exactly? So when you shine this type of wavelength onto cells, the cell will then become excited. And what excited basically translates to is enhanced function. Honestly, a functional analogy to where like you're giving it a cup of coffee, you're giving it some caffeine or some type of stimulant. It's basically getting the cell to wake up and start doing more. And when it comes to skin cells like the fibroblasts, that stimulation that comes from the red light or the infrared light, what it's doing is it's causing the mitochondria, which are the small energy producing organelles inside the cell. I'm taking you back to biology now. We're going to mix biology and physics, which is, super fun for me. But what it's doing is it's causing the mitochondria to start producing a lot of energy. The uptick in the energy is then causing the cell to do more. And really what you want to see at the end of this type of therapy is that your skin cells are rejuvenating, you're creating more collagen, which then ultimately causes less lines and wrinkles and all around better condition of the skin. Because remember, as I talked about in other videos, skin continues to lose collagen. In fact, our whole body continues to lose collagen from 27 all the way for the rest of our life. So anything we can do to stimulate collagen is a step in the right direction. And I talked about skincare and how all that, the different actives affect the fibroblasts in a similar kind of way. Well, red light is doing something in a different way, but with the same end result, which is increased collagen stimulation. So in a nutshell, the increase in production of collagen makes tissue stronger, more elastic, better. So when it comes to the skin, you get less fine lines and wrinkles. When it comes to hair, you get thicker, more dense, healthier hair. By decreasing inflammation, you're improving conditions that affect the scalp, for example, that cause hair loss. You're also, by decreasing inflammation to the skin, you're improving the skin's ability to have a better skin barrier, accept products that you put on top of it, all around look less red. So the changes in blood flow that come from red light therapy and infrared light therapy are giving the skin and the hair all around rejuvenative effects and benefits. So why has this become so popular? Well, number one, it works. There's a lot of science behind it. Number two, you get a plethora of celebrities and different people talking about it. It spreads the word. You also see benefits that cross not just rejuvenation, but you also have medical enhancements with it. So for example, it's been used for arthritis, it's been used for tendonitis, it's been used for, a variety of different pain issues, and alopecia areata, which is basically a function of increased scalp blood flow, decreased scalp inflammation, and enhancement of the hair follicle through strengthening and all the other things that we just discussed a moment ago. So those are probably the three biggest uses: skin rejuvenation, hair loss, and more commonly now used on body.